Good morning everyone. Today we're going to learn how to find colors and the numbers of the color by choosing your colors that you want and whatever. In CSS you need to don't write red or blue or green. You have to write or the RGB or one of these ones you wish. I prefer the RGB because it's more simple, but you can use CMYK, whatever, or the hashtag. In the website format, the best you can use is the hashtag, this one. In other platforms, it depends of what you want to do. You can use this one. In Photoshop, the one of I like to use is this one, has the 1, 2, 3, 4, the RMYK. But in website I prefer to use the HEX. If you write CSS color, how it shows up on my browsing, you can find this one very easily to work with, and it gives you exactly what you need. Now I'm going to put every link that I'm going to show you down below, so you can easily see them and find them. This is one of the things that I like to use. If you go to W3 school and you go of color mix, you can mix the color that you are doing. You mix two colors at the same time. Like I want, let's say, blue, and I want red. You see, if I use this one, you see how much it's nice. It's mixed with red and blue. Now this is for mixing two colors and having the hashtag for the web. If you see a lot of here, there is colors that you can choose from, but I'm going to give you the overview what there is in W3 school, because it has a lot of good color mixing. Like this one, before we had only one way, now we can make even a lot of ways different. So we can see how we can change it ourselves, and this is how you write in the CSS code, because you can write top and bottom and it will change automatically if you noticed, and you can change the colors as you like. So I can make blue and red. I think green, okay, whatever, it's green, no problem. You see, see, it's more green now. And it tells you how to write the code automatically, so you can no need to make a photo for doing it. You can use the code itself to do it. Now here, if you want some colors from other people, like Google use these 4 colors, and I don't know why you will wish to use other people's color. It's better you do your own color, but they have their own. If you want to take them, you can take them, and if you want to take not this one, and you take another one, just talk to me and I make a video how to you can find out the color of any photo. Now this ones is the colors that they're the best colors that people say is good. My opinion, I don't understand why people will need the best things, but there is option of color of the year. Example, this one is used in 2019. I don't know why, but if you know, you can help me telling me why. Now this one is a nice tool. Like if I use this color, the best color to use is this one with it, because this one actually, see, tells you the way of, if you make these colors will look more nice to each other. If I change to red, it's good I use the yellow with the red, that comes out more out the website. Like if you make other things, you see, it shows even better looking, you see. So you can, if you are not good in coloring like me, because I'm more in a coding environment and I need sometimes to know some colors, mixing colors, this is one of the things you can use to help you choose the colors for you. Now there is even more if you want to see, but I picked the one that I personally liked, and most I use is this one, and the first one to choose the color and find the color. Normally I use the first one to find the colors that my clients wants, and after I applied it to my websites. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you learned something about coloring new, and I see you next time.